Ever wonder how the top 1% achieve unstoppable success while others stay stuck? It's not luck, talent, or grinding harder. It's their secret routine. Discover the daily habits of successful people and the high achiever mindset that turns ordinary actions into extraordinary results. Today, we're exposing the exact systems they'll never tell you about. 1. They rely on systems, not motivation. Motivation is like a phone battery. It drains fast. The top 1% don't wait to feel motivated. They build systems that run on autopilot. Whether it's writing 100 words a day or exercising at 6 a.m., their routines are non-negotiable. When something becomes what you do instead of what you feel like doing, success becomes inevitable. 2. They make their why unshakable. Why do you want success? If your reason is weak, your drive will be weak. The best performers have a deep reason that fuels them daily. It's not just I want money. It's I never want my kids to struggle like I did. Your why should give you chills. Write it down. Say it out loud. Make it impossible to forget. 3. They treat failure like a science experiment. The average person fails and gives up. High achievers fail and ask, what did this teach me? They analyze, adjust, and try again. Failure isn't a stop sign, it's a stepping stone. Thomas Edison didn't fail 1,000 times. He discovered 1,000 ways the light bulb wouldn't work. Change your mindset and failure becomes fuel. 4. They time travel in their mind. Here's a game changer. Every morning, ask yourself, what will future me thank me for today? Successful people make choices based on who they want to become, not just what feels good in the moment. Every workout, every book read, every risk taken, it's a gift to your future self. Start thinking like that, and your present actions will change forever. 5. They guard their mind like a fortress. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant grows. If you're constantly consuming negativity, guess what? That's what will take root. The top 1% curate their inputs. They feed their brain with books, mentors, and powerful ideas. Swap out social media junk for real knowledge and watch your mindset shift. 6. They turn life into a game. High achievers don't see life as a grind. They see it as a game. They challenge themselves, set goals, track progress, and reward themselves for mini wins. This gamified approach tricks the brain into loving productivity. Whether it's earning points for finishing a task or unlocking a reward for consistency, they make success fun. 7. They create a no-matter-what mindset. This is the ultimate secret. Commitment over comfort. Winners don't negotiate with their goals. They don't say, I'll try. They say, I will. Whether they feel tired, unmotivated, or discouraged, it doesn't matter. Their commitment stands firm. When you make success a must, not a maybe, everything changes. So, which one will you start today? Your secret routine isn't luck, it's a choice. The more you do this every day, the stronger your results get. Pick one habit and make it non-negotiable. Then another. Soon, success won't feel like work. It'll feel like who you are. If this clicked for you, don't just watch, act. Subscribe for secret routines of top performers. Like this video if you're ready to do this every day. Comment your number 1 habit goal. Which one will you lock in first? Let's grow together. Your best self is waiting.